In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert Google Slides into plain text, a useful skill if you need to extract information from a presentation without the formatting, images, or multimedia elements. Whether you're needing this for note-taking, sharing information in a simple format, or text analysis, knowing how to do this easily is invaluable. To get started, open up your web browser and navigate to Google Slides by typing slides.google.com into your address bar. Once you're there, open the presentation you want to convert by clicking on it. This will bring you to the familiar interface of Google Slides, where you can see all your slides in thumbnail form on the left-hand side and the currently selected slide in the main view. Now that you have your presentation open, we're going to start by exporting this file. Hover over to the top menu and locate the File option. Click on it, and you'll see a drop-down menu. From here, navigate to the Download option. Hover over it, and you'll be presented with various file formats you can choose from. The format we are interested in today is plain text, .txt. Go ahead and click this option. This action will initiate a download of your presentation's content in plain text format, stripping it of all formatting and visual elements. Once the file is downloaded, locate it in your computer's Downloads folder or wherever your browser saves downloaded files. When you open this file with a text editor of your choice, such as Notepad or TextEdit, you'll see all the text from your slides laid out in a simple, readable format. It's important to note that while this method will effectively give you the text, it doesn't preserve any structured hierarchy like bullet points or outlines. Everything is plain text, so if your slides had these, they will not appear as structured in the downloaded file. There are some additional tips to maximize the usefulness of this conversion. If your slides contain charts or other data representations, consider how you might separately document that data, as the conversion won't preserve these elements. Similarly, if the presentation is lengthy or has slides with substantial text, scanning through each page before you convert might help identify any crucial content that might get lost without formatting. And there you have it. Converting Google Slides into plain text is a quick process that can help you repurpose your content in a way that best suits your needs. If you have any questions or need further clarification on this process, feel free to leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful for your endeavors.